Do you want to make the construction process of your new build or renovation far simpler? And do you feel more sane and confident in the process? Manage Your Build is my online program that will give you the knowledge, tools, resources to really support you during the construction process of your new build or renovation, and also arm you with key strategies to help you stay sane and to save your budget as well. We've all heard the horror stories: builders ripping homeowners off, builders going bust in the middle of projects, homeowners not understanding their contract and really catching themselves out so that they suffered huge financial damages during the construction of their project. We've heard of substandard work. We've heard of unfinished projects because people can't afford the budget blowouts that have occurred. I don't need to tell you, these horror stories are around every single day. And it's one of the reasons that people are so fearful of building or renovating their home. One of the biggest problems is that you don't know what you don't know, and that lack of knowledge and experience can place you in a really vulnerable position when you're seeking quotes for your project, when you're negotiating contracts with builders, and when you're navigating the construction process of your new build or renovation. It's really difficult to stay proactive on your project and to monitor progress and really know if what you're being asked to pay for is really being done on site. And that's exactly why this program exists. In Manage Your Build, I've teamed up with Dwayne Pearce from DPS Constructions. Dwayne is a residential builder building in Queensland. He's built for over 20 years, over 100 projects, and has a wealth of experience and knowledge when it comes to getting great results in your building project and for best practices in builder operation. Dwayne and I take you through step by step each stage of your home construction, right from the start of paying your deposit through each step until you reach practical completion. We talk to you about the decisions that you need to make, when it'll be too late and very expensive to change your mind, how to avoid the pitfalls and dramas that just impact so many people in their builds and renovations. We share experiences from our own personal projects. We share industry experience from other builders, from other homeowners that we've seen have things go wrong. This is all about you knowing how to ask for what you want and getting what you're paying for, and having the knowledge and the tools that you need so that the construction process of your new build or renovation goes smoothly and simply for you and creates that beautiful home that you're dreaming of. Now head below and you can see more about what's included in the program and the other experts that are sharing their knowledge and experience with you. Your project does not have to be a disaster. It does not have to be a stress-filled ride of heartache, mistakes and pitfalls. And the key to changing this, to making your project different, is you. I look forward to seeing you on the inside of Manage Your Build.